Pineapples are one of the most beloved tropical fruits, admired for their sweet and tangy taste, vibrant yellow color, and juicy texture. Apart from their delicious flavor, pineapples are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote good health. Pineapple farming is a fascinating process that requires knowledge, patience, and the right climatic condition. From planting and growing pineapples to harvesting and processing them into refreshing drinks, every step is crucial in ensuring high-quality produce. This video will take you through the entire journey of pineapple farming, starting from cultivation, growth, and harvesting techniques to how these delicious fruits are used to make fresh and flavorful pineapple drinks. Pineapple farming. A brief overview. Pineapple farming is a rewarding agricultural practice that is widely popular in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Countries such as Thailand, the Philippines, Indonesia, India, Costa Rica, Brazil, and parts of Africa are among the largest producers of pineapples. These fruits thrive in warm, humid climates with well-drained soil and moderate rainfall. There are several varieties of pineapples grown worldwide. The smooth cayenne variety is the most commonly cultivated, known for its cylindrical shape, bright yellow flesh, and mild acidity. The red Spanish variety, mostly found in the Caribbean, has a tough red-orange outer skin and a fibrous yet flavorful flesh. The queen pineapple, grown in South Africa and Australia, is small but highly aromatic. The MD2 golden pineapple, a hybrid variety, is exceptionally sweet, has a bright golden flesh, and boasts a long shelf life. Cultivating pineapples. From planting to maturity. Pineapples are unique because they are not grown from seeds, but are propagated from suckers, slips, or crowns. Before planting, the land is carefully prepared by plowing and leveling to ensure proper drainage and aeration. Pineapple plants require sandy loam soil with a pH level between 4.5 and 6.5 to thrive. Propagation is done using crowns, the leafy top of the fruit, suckers, shoots that grow between the leaves, or slips, small offshoots near the base of the fruit. These are planted in rows with enough spacing between them to allow proper growth. Since pineapples are slow-growing plants, it takes around 18 to 24 months for the first crop to be ready for harvest. Even though pineapples are relatively drought-tolerant, they still require adequate moisture throughout their growth period. Farmers use drip irrigation to ensure the plants receive sufficient water without causing root rot. Fertilization is also essential, with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium applied at different stages to improve fruit quality. Like all crops, pineapples are vulnerable to pests and diseases. Common pests include mealybugs, which cause stunted growth, and fruit flies, which lay eggs on the fruit, leading to rotting. Diseases like pineapple wilt and pink disease can also affect the plants. Farmers manage these issues by using disease-resistant plant varieties and maintaining proper field sanitation. Pineapples naturally take about 18 months to flower, but farmers sometimes use ethylene or calcium carbide to induce early flowering. Once the flowers bloom, the fruit begins to develop and takes an additional 5 to 6 months to fully mature. Harvesting pineapples. The right time and methods. Harvesting pineapples at the right time is crucial to ensure the best taste and texture. Unlike bananas or mangoes, pineapples do not continue ripening after being harvested, so picking them at the right stage is essential. Signs of ripeness include a slight yellowing of the outer skin, a fruity aroma, and a firm but slightly soft texture. Harvesting is done manually using sharp knives to cut the fruit close to the base. Workers wear gloves to protect their hands from the spiky leaves. Since pineapples are highly perishable, they are immediately transported to processing centers or markets to maintain freshness. Post-harvest processing. From farm to market. After harvesting, pineapples go through several steps before reaching consumers. First, they are washed thoroughly to remove dirt and pesticide residues. Then, they are sorted based on size, color, and overall quality. For export, pineapples are carefully packed in ventilated crates to prevent bruising. Proper cold storage is used to maintain their freshness during transportation. Besides being sold as fresh fruit, pineapples are also processed into a variety of products, including pineapple juice, canned pineapple slices, dried pineapple snacks, and pineapple jam, making delicious pineapple drinks. One of the best ways to enjoy pineapples is by turning them into refreshing beverages. The fruit's natural sweetness and acidity make it perfect for juices, smoothies, and cocktails. fresh pineapple juice. Fresh pineapple juice is one of the simplest and most refreshing ways to enjoy the fruit. To make it, peel and chop a ripe pineapple into small pieces. Blend the pineapple chunks with 2 cups of cold water until smooth. Strain the juice to remove fiber, then add 1 tablespoon of honey for extra sweetness if desired. Serve the juice chilled with ice cubes for a refreshing treat. Pineapple smoothie. A pineapple smoothie is a delicious and nutritious option for breakfast or a post-workout drink. Blend 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, 1 banana, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and half a cup of coconut milk until smooth. Add ice cubes for a thick, chilled texture. This creamy and tropical smoothie is packed with vitamins and energy-boosting nutrients. Pineapple mojito, non-alcoholic. For a refreshing summer drink, try a non-alcoholic pineapple mojito. Start by muddling 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a glass. Add 1 cup of pineapple juice and stir well. Pour the mixture over ice cubes and top it with soda water for a fizzy and flavorful mocktail. Garnish with a slice of pineapple or a sprig of mint. Pineapple ginger detox drink. This detoxifying drink combines the health benefits of pineapple, ginger, and turmeric. Mix 1 cup of fresh pineapple juice with half a teaspoon of grated ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir well and drink fresh. This natural detox drink helps boost immunity, aids digestion, and has anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapple farming is a rewarding and fascinating agricultural practice that requires careful planning, patience, and dedication. From preparing the land and planting pineapple suckers to maintaining the plants, protecting them from pests, and harvesting them at the perfect time, every step is essential in ensuring high-quality produce. After harvesting, pineapples are processed and transported to markets where they are enjoyed fresh or transformed into delicious juices, smoothies, and other delightful beverages. Whether eaten fresh or blended into a drink, pineapples offer a burst of tropical flavor and numerous health benefits. Understanding the effort that goes into pineapple farming makes every sip of pineapple juice even more refreshing and enjoyable. So the next time you drink a glass of pineapple juice, remember the long and fascinating journey it took from farm to table. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.